Your mindset is how you think about things. It's like having a special way of seeing. It shapes how you learn and grow. Some people have a fixed mindset. They think abilities are set, like a stone. Others have a growth mindset. Fixed thinkers avoid hard challenges. They worry about looking silly or failing. They might give up easily too soon. Growth thinkers love trying new, tough things. They see challenges as fun puzzles. They keep trying even when it's hard. Your brain is like a super smart muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Learning new things helps it grow big. Hard tasks are chances for your brain to grow. Don't avoid them, tackle them head on. Each challenge makes your brain smarter. Everyone makes mistakes, even experts. Mistakes are just clues for what to try next. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Saying "I can't do it" stops your growth. Try adding the magic word "yet" instead. "I can't do it yet" means you're learning. Working hard builds new brain connections. It's not just about being naturally good. Your effort really makes you smarter. Praise effort, strategies, and trying your best. Don't just say you're so smart. This helps everyone grow their mindset. Use your growth mindset in school. Use it when playing sports or games. You can grow in art, music, everything. Remember, your mindset is your choice. You can always choose to learn and grow. So, keep growing your amazing brain.